is Francis. I'm going to talk about evidence-based differentiating strategies and the use of manipulatives to help struggling students in maths. As usual, I'm going to talk about some introductions, definitions, my audience, how they're applying the maths class, manipulative itself. I'm going to discuss some research evidence for and against this model. Conclusion, some resources. Manipulatives are used to learn math skills like multiplication, subtraction, and even fraction. But before you use them, you must pre-assess what your student needs are. You cannot teach students unless you understand what they don't know. And the most important thing is to have clear instructions. Right. Differentiation instruction normally is altering teaching strategies, content, processing products, and learning environment to tailor the materials and the activities to match the needs of students according to some researchers here. And differentiation is like a restaurant. You have different food menu items every day, so you have to make some changes. Again, students learn differently. My audience for this are students with low skill levels, they lack confidence in math skills of multiplication, subtraction, addition. Those are struggling probably with their problem solving skills so that they can learn and succeed together. I will apply this in a math class to teach multiplication and subtraction and even fractions, and in small groups of 3 or 4. The materials required for the game is basically dice, pens and paper. Children will practice multiplication by the numbers 1 to 6, which are on the dice, and they can choose to multiply by 10, 20, or 30 and reach a target like 300. The first one to get 3 sets to get 300 win the set, and the first one to win 3 sets wins the game. So it takes time to prepare, set clear goals, clear instructions, write them down, observe and ask questions, make them in small groups, and sure you monitor and assess how they are doing the exercise, monitor the noise level so that it doesn't become destructive. Start small and do not burn yourself. So they get rules, they take time to throw the dice, they choose multiply by 20, 30 or 40, 10, 20, 30, and then the first one to reach 300 wins the set, the first one to win 3 sets of 300 wins the game, and they will be multiplying and adding and subtracting, and this is where the learning is. This is hands-on activity. Kids can follow, you don't need to drag them into the learning hill, and individuals learn different ways, and manipulate can help for their visual. Although it takes teachers time, they choose the group to make the preparation, but it's worthwhile because most students will learn by seeing and doing. And this is some research evidence that the manipulatives can be used in conjunction with other technologies to help struggling students learn maths easier. And we have some reference sources for you, and the models are compared, and it's not a some argue that it's a tool, not a recipe. I do agree, it's used as a tool, is good for learning, and more research, more resources to understand. As a concluding remark, motivation increases when students learn by visualizing, and the competition increases as they win and play to win, and the process they learn, and it's easier to test understanding by making sure, monitor how many students win and how many times, and you're creating a trade-based learner. It's still a research going on whether the tool or should be used as a recipe. For me, I will use it as a tool. Thank you.